Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 311. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 7. 4 here, 7 here. Means this is our 3. That 4 means this is our 7, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 3. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column now, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this row, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this row, we're missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. And I don't see any help, so 7, 8, 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 6, 5 here, so 4, 6. And that means that our 5 has to be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here. 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 9. 9 here, so 1, 7. 1 here, so 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 7, 9, and I don't see any help, so 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 8 here, so 7, 8. That 7 makes this our 9, 7, 1, 9. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.